Installation and instructions. Step 1. Open the inner box, check whether the accessories are complete, including one key, one screw set, one adhesive sticker, 3M, and one glue. Step 2. Paste the adhesive sticker, 3M, on the middle position of the backboard. Step 3. Apply the glue evenly on 4 or 6 symmetrical points on the backboard, and ensure the glue is thicker than sticker, which ensure the glue contacts closely with the wall. Step 4. Find correct mounting position that is clean and dry. Directly press and fix the machine on the wall. Step 5. Insert the key. Take down the lock ring gently. Step 6. Unscrew the cap to add soap, then tighten it. Place the filled bottle in the right position. Ensure the bottle neck can be locked. 7. Lock the bottle by lock ring. Ensure that the position is right and cannot be pulled out. Step 8. Rotate and unscrew the press pump, press the pump, and start to use it.